Proudly presented by Smart Hire.
The TE 1500 AVR. A 15 kilo breaker that can be used both in a trolley like this or by itself. An excellent machine, the workhorse of the family. This machine will do just about anything. In this configuration it is used mainly to remove tiles. It's got an adjustable trolley so you can get right underneath the tiles like that, up to that angle. A little lever up here will make it come up, and you can just go like this and chisel out the tiles off the ground. Got your on-off button up there, and before you start, obviously still make sure that you check your lead for any damage. If it's damaged, don't use it. You must use a heavy duty lead on this machine, else you'll burn out the machine. The chisel is easily removed. Turn the machine up. Unplug it before you do that. Push the jacket back and the chisel bit comes out, and you can use a different chisel bit. Another chisel bit that can be used for heavy single work, or when you are trying to break up a concrete slab, you use the pointy one. The advantage of the Hilti chisel bits is that they stay sharp all the way to the end, and they are excellent to use. The advantage of using the Mechanex Jackhammer trolley is it stops you from breaking your back. You don't have to lift the machine, the wheels do the work, and all you have to do is move it up and down as you need it. You can remove a large amount of tiles in one day without any problems. If you need to move it, just put your foot up there, lift it up and move it along. An excellent idea. It saves your back and it does the job 10 times better and quicker.
To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.